Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I have a feeling what's in here. I'm not 100% sure. These are almost certainly new products from Kai USA. Those are the folks behind Kershaw and Zero Tolerance, of course. Very excited to see what is in this box. I will absolutely be sharing it with you, obviously. I will link these products right down below if they are available. I'll try to make sure that this unboxing video comes out when they are available, so you guys can check them out if you want. It does help my channel when you use my links, but that is entirely up to you. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. And thanks to Kai for sending in some more cool stuff for us to take a look at. Beginning of the year's been pretty exciting. A bunch of good stuff right off the bat. I'm looking forward to 2023 being pretty awesome. So let's see what else. Hold on, little piece of paper in there. Let me get that out. There we go. What else they've got for us? We have a single Kershaw here. Always excited because it means the price is going to be pretty reasonable. Let's take a look here real quick. Oh boy, okay. Is this what I think it is? Let's find out. USA. This is a USA Kershaw. Come on there, big boy. There we go. All right. What do we got? Oh, I think it is. Let me make sure I say it correctly. Yeah. This is Kershaw's new OTF. Now, is that how it's mounted? That's how the pocket clip is mounted. Interesting. For Cant, I believe. This is a USA Kershaw OTF. Here we go. Kershaw. You know what? That is very nice. When I heard that Kershaw was doing an OTF, I don't know about you, but I thought, you do good folding knives at that territory. Now, I have no idea what this is going to be priced at. And I mean this in the nicest way possible, but I was a little bit skeptical because I assumed, hey, if Kershaw's going to do this, they're obviously trying to work an OTF in, a US OTF in a price parameter, right? A price arena where these types of things do not exist, right? We have some pretender brands out there that are not really made in the United States. And then we have some real USA OTFs, but they command higher price tags. I'm going to assume, without having seen the actual price tag yet, that Kershaw is trying to be very competitive with this. That being said, I thought, is there room for the type of quality we expect? Apparently so. I am very happy to report that not only does this thing feel good, it's actually, the first thing I noticed, the switch, the slider switch is actually very friendly. Not something that eats up your fingers or requires I don't want to say Titanic, but for those of you who, fired one of the substantially more expensive USA OTFs, right, from a lot of those companies that we're familiar with, the amount of force that is required right out of the box is pretty crazy. And yeah, it loosens up a little bit over time, but it's still pretty difficult. This is super friendly. And it's also snappy. I really thought maybe the power would not be where I wanted it to be. No, it's it's plenty snappy. This is CPM 20 CV, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Let's take a look at that bevel. It looks pretty good. How about over here? Yeah. And we have some debris on here. Yeah, it's just debris. I was like, boy, I hope those aren't chunks out of the blade. Those are just debris. Okay. Aluminum. Right? Yeah. Aluminum body. Odd angle. Hold on. real quick, I need to try this in and out of the pocket here. I need to understand. Oh, now I understand why he did that. Yeah. Boy, what a silly little thing. Looks weird. You can't see my pocket. But that angle actually makes it quite a bit easier. It's such a silly thing. I see exactly why they did that. Oh, man. Oh, pending what the actual price of this is, I gotta say the product itself, yeah, very impressive. This feels same power as I feel from a Recon 35 or an Ultratech. Yeah, absolutely. Boy, it really is snappy. Man. Minimal blade play, no different than the other competitive USA OTFs. I like the blade shape too. That's a very Kershaw style blade shape. So they gave it their own, it's got the Kershaw sauce in it, right? Boy, that's cool. I can't say that I saw a Kershaw USA OTF coming. That's cool. So fit and finish looks great. They've got Torx heads. They did a little bit of milling right here to add a little bit of pizzazz. I appreciate that we did some aesthetic milling without going overboard. In my opinion, sometimes some of the Kershaw knives just have a little bit too much going on. It's just like too many pieces and other pieces sort of overlaying each other. We did not do that here. We went, instead of, they could have easily just done this flat, but they didn't, right? We have some nice angled areas right here, some nice chamfered areas right here with texturing, larger texturing here that sort of tapers. I guess it tapers down this way, but, the areas, milling areas get larger out, sort of follow that angle right there. That's really nice. Ergonomically, yeah, it's very comfortable. And the teeth, so to speak, on the firing switch are not aggressive at all. Those steps are very gradual, and even though it looks like there's a sharp edge right there, I'm telling you, that is real friendly on the finger. Play in the switch, little bit in the open position, a little bit in the closed position, but not noisy. Can hear it more in the open position. I think that's actually the blade, which is going to be the case for any OTF. I don't care what you say. There's always at least one person. I don't care what you say. The only OTF in existence that has absolutely zero blade play is the Deadlock, right? Everything else on the market has at least a little bit of blade play. So this is completely and totally acceptable. Let's weigh it. Just want to see. Feels pretty lightweight. Yep, 3.07 ounces. Let's go ahead and measure it. Just real quick. This is not a review, just an unboxing and first impressions. Overall length. Hey, they got a full sizer here. 8 1/8 is what I'm coming up with. 3.35 inches of blade, 3 1/4 inches of cutting edge, roughly. It's a nice size. If they get this price point, if they can nail down a super competitive price tag, right? So, I mean, this is all of what I expect from Axial, Guardian Tactical, and Microtech, right? It's all of what I'm feeling there. If they can nail down a competitive price tag, right? That's and I'm talking like entry level stuff from those companies, right? And I know Hogue's got some stuff too, but yeah, if they can nail down a good price tag, this is a pretty serious competitor, right? So by the time you're watching it, the price will probably have been released. I will obviously know. Please don't feel obligated to inform me. You're watching this probably 2 weeks or so after I unboxed it, so I already know at that time, right? But I will link the listing down below this video so that you guys can check it out. And everybody can find out for themselves if they want to. Thank you so much to Kershaw for sending this in for me to check out. I can't wait to carry it around and ultimately give you guys my thoughts on this knife in the form of a full comprehensive review. Expect to see that here in a couple of weeks or so. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.